In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Jira Scrum board. If you're looking to organize your projects efficiently and streamline your workflow, creating a Scrum board in Jira is an essential skill. Let's go through this process step by step to ensure you can set it up smoothly and get on your way to enhanced project management. We begin by navigating to Jira, open your preferred browser and head over to your Jira dashboard. The first place you need to go is your work. This is where you can manage your current tasks and projects. If you're not already familiar with Jira, this is your hub, the place where you'll find everything related to your ongoing work. Click on your work to access this section and it's easy to locate, typically at the top of your Jira interface. Once you're in the Your Work section, you'll see a variety of options. What you need to do next is locate and click on Projects. This will bring up a list of all the projects you've been working on. It's an overview that gives you insights into what's on your plate, what your team is working on, and where each project stands. If you have many projects, you can filter through to find the one you're interested in, but for our task here, we're setting up a new Scrum board. This leads us to the next significant step, creating a new project. Within the project section, you should see an option to create project. Go ahead and click on that. Creating a new project can seem like a big step, but it's straightforward in Jira. This is where you'll lay the foundation for your Scrum board, so take a moment to ensure you're in the right place. With the Create Project window open, you will be asked to select a project template. Here you'll find various templates designed to meet different project needs. Since we're specifically working with a Scrum framework, what you need to do is select Scrum from the list. The Scrum template is perfectly tailored for projects that follow agile methodologies, making it ideal for iterative development where priorities can shift. Once you've selected the Scrum template, you'll be given an option that says Use Template. Click on it. This will guide you to project configuration settings that are optimized for Scrum. It's all about making sure you've got the right tools at your disposal from the start, and by choosing this option, Jira pre-configures the essentials. Moving forward, you'll encounter a decision point about the nature of your project management. You need to click on Select a Team Managed Project. This is an important part of the process. A team managed project is great for when your team might require flexible, location-based configurations and permissions, allowing you to control who sees what within your project. After you've done that, it's time to give your project a name. This step is crucial, not only for identification, but for establishing your project's presence within your organization. Choose something descriptive that can be easily recognized by everyone involved. A clear, concise name ensures that anybody new coming into the project space will understand its purpose at a glance. Next, you'll have to decide on access settings for your project. This involves defining who can view, edit, and manage the project. Access management is critical because it balances openness with security. A typical best practice is to allow your core team full access while providing view rights to stakeholders who don't need editing capabilities. Following access settings, you'll be prompted to define a project key. The project key serves as a unique identifier within Jira. It appears as a prefix in all the issue numbers for the project. This should be short and easily identifiable. Usually it's an acronym of the project name. The right key will help in swiftly identifying your tasks within the greater context of all projects. Having completed these settings, your next move is to click on Next. This step typically finalizes your initial setup and moves you forward in the process. After clicking Next, you might spend a few moments while Jira configures your project. It's in this stage that all your settings get applied. By now, you're all set up with your new Jira Scrum board tailored to the needs of your team and ready to start facilitating your project work. With your board live, you can commence adding stories, organizing sprints, and moving through your project lifecycle with greater agility and transparency. Remember, a Scrum board is a live document, so keep it updated as you advance through your project to make the most of its capabilities. And that's how you create a Jira Scrum board. Hopefully this tutorial has been both clear and helpful, allowing you to understand each phase of the process. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to guiding you through more project management tips and tricks in the future.